Hello everyone, it's Tony and we're back at the booth. Today I'm going to do chrome powder. I'm going to go through the steps on how to do chrome powder. Chrome powder is a very neat nail design where you just apply powder to it and it gives us the shimmery iridescent effect. Depending on what color base you use, it will change the effect of the chrome. Like if you were to use a white base versus a clear base versus a black base, the chrome is going to look different. Typically in a nail salon, chrome will be an extra $10. So I've already applied one coat. I'm going to go on with my second coat of color. And I've decided to use this pink base. Now I'm going to cure. Okay, that's 2 coats of color. Before I go in with my chrome, I am going to apply a top coat. Okay, I'll let that cure. Okay, this is just some chrome powder I got off of Amazon, but there's all sorts of chrome powders out there. Like you have the unicorn powder, then they have red powder, you have the silver powder, that's like the metallic platinum look, gold powder, like all sorts of powders. But this one, I don't really know what it's called, but it gives off like you can see it has like a little green in there. So I'll just show you. So top coat it, and I'm going to go on top of my chrome. I'm going to use this little brush, but you can also use like a silicone stick to smudge the chrome on there, or you can use like a little makeup eyeshadow brush. Make sure you got it all on the nail. As you can see, it's like a little shimmer, kind of has like a green hue to it. And I'm going to take a brush and just wipe off the excess powder. And then when you go to top coat this for the second time, I would recommend having a top coat that's specifically designated for top coating chrome, just because it will put shimmer back into your top coat. The glitter will transfer. This is not my main top coat because I don't want to get the shimmer into my main top coat, because some designs I don't want that shimmer on it. And some people are very picky. Some people don't want any shimmer on their nails. And even if they see just a little bit of shimmer, they might complain. So you just have a second bottle or a separate bottle that you designate specifically for top coating chrome. Okay, thanks for watching.